but very well negotiated. Are we slowly moving towards the super over? Maz, any quote for the super overs? I have it with me.
Nervous faces. Some spectators did leave the stadium around the 16th over. Pretty sure they would have come back. The game's going down to the wire, and certainly this wonderful tournament, DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup, deserves a finish like that. A fairy tale ending.
Millions of people have lost hope when these eyes are glued to their screens. We're praying for their victory. This is great scenes. The crowd has come back. A lot of them went earlier on, and these two have pulled them back. Ripon has been a top-notch performer.
I think the Bangladeshi fans need to consult a heart surgeon. Whenever Bangladesh plays, things go right down to the wire. We have seen the semi-final, now again.
Entire spectators as well as people, millions of people watching this coverage got what they wish for. A close final. 3 of 3. Bouncer. Change of lane. That's what I think Irfan Khan as the skipper would have given that choice or that idea by the skipper to Daniel.
That's what we were talking about earlier. What next? What plan? What gamble? And the mid-off came up. So as a batter, you could expect the length to change, and it certainly did. But again, full marks to the batter. He did not play any shot out of pressure. He just left the ball. He knows they're just a strike away.
Yeah, he was caught in two minds, but rightly mentioned, Salman, eventually he does really well. But the tensions are there for us, everyone in the stadium, in the middle. 3 of 2.
Crucial delivery. Crucial delivery for the outcome. Irfan Khan at mid-off is taking his own time, getting the feels right, getting the tactics right. And Daniel so far has been very brilliant. 2 for 11 of 3.4. Akbar Ali cannot watch it. He'd rather be in the middle rather than watching it from the dugout as a skipper. Certainly Pakistan shines, probably trying to break the batsman's rhythm by taking time.
Keeper, I think, has his glove off. Put it behind his back, so the plan may be ball an outside Yorker.
Another bouncer and running for it. Ahmed Daniali misses it. There was a golden opportunity. Wow. Ghazi Gori did the right thing, threw the ball to the bowler, and Irfan Khan just letting the bowler know why didn't you take 2 more steps. Nevertheless, a bye been taken.
The script of this game is surely written up in the heavens, Salman.
Everything, my dear, everything is written up there. Underneath is only guessing. Sometimes you get it right, and other times you just come to know that it's not you or anybody else here downstairs. Once again, he had all the time. And he's asking the fielder, why didn't he come up to the stumps? Well, if the plan was that clear, he could have just bowled and ran back to the stumps.
So Maroof was saying, who wants a super over? 2 off the final ball. What a tournament we had. So everything will be decided in the final ball of the tournament. Oh.
Think about those who have their flight at 1:30 a.m. Leave the rest.